Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to install SAP WebIDE, and next we will connect WebIDE to our SAP Fiori frontend server. Download WebIDE media, go to SAP Development Tools website and go to SAP UI5 section. Here you can find the WebIDE personal edition source. Just download it. Once download completed, go to documentation URL for the configuration guide and copy the folder name as mentioned in the guidelines and extract the downloaded source media to the mentioned given path. So after extracting the source media to the given path, just go to Eclipse folder and run the Orion service. So in the next section, we have to create this folder. As by default, this folder does not exist. So just copy and follow the same path and create this folder manually. Next in destinations folder, create a text file and make sure we have removed .txt extension and added this file in the notepad and go to documentation guideline. Just remove the extension and right click and open this in the notepad. After that, open this file in a notepad. And from the documentation guideline, you can see there is a connection string parameters available. Just copy these parameters and paste these in to the open file. And one thing you have to make sure that the text file uh, is same with your system ID name. So here we have to define our system parameter. The first is a description. You can define any description, and the next is a system name, which is our system IDE, and next is here You can either use over internet or on premise. Here we have to define the system IP with port number. Uh, this information you can get from the documentation guideline that mean which service you are going to activate. If you want any particular service name, just copy and paste. And if you want to activate multiple service, just use the comma and add and the other services as well. Next, WebIDE system is our SAP system ID, which is SDF. And the last thing is SAP client. So our production client is 400. So we are going to mention 400 and just save this file. After saving, just go to the URL. So the service is running. Just go back and open the URL. You can get the URL from the documentation guideline. So the first screen is appear. We have to create the login ID first. So as you can see, we are at WebID homepage. Just scroll down and go to SAP UI ABAP repository. Here you can see there are system options available. These systems reflects the destination which we have created in our Eclipse destination folder. So after waiting couple of minutes, we can see our SDF SAP Fury front-end server applications are available in our WebIDE. So that's for all now. We have successfully configured the WebID with our on-premise SAP Fury Frontend Server Gateway. If you like the video, just press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.